What's going on, guys? I've been converting this 2019 Ford Transit into a camper van for the past month, but we had to figure out a place where my son can sit and sleep, so we built this really cool bench. Let me show you. So the bench is a tri-folding bench that extends all the way out to 4 foot 10 inches when in sleep mode, and it also doubles as a bench that my son can sit in with seat belts that also has storage. So constructing this bench was actually pretty time consuming. It took about 15 hours to make from start to finish, a sheet and a half of plywood, 8 drawer slides, four piano hinges, and a lot of sanding and painting. So for the paint color, we chose to do Basil from Sherwin-Williams, and that's how we're going to paint all the cabinets throughout the entire van. And we're also going to use this type of material, which was the same type of vinyl that we use for the seats, which is a marine vinyl, and all the cushions on the entire van are going to be made out of this vinyl. All right, so the bench is 32 inches wide by 18 and a half inches tall, and like I mentioned before, it extends all the way out to 4 foot 10 inches. It's more meant for a child, so don't bag on me for this, guys. But I guess a short adult can't sleep over it, can't sleep on it. But let's go ahead and extend it. So all you need to do is just pull it out. Then close it whenever you're done sleeping. And the extra cushion can fit inside of here, or you can put storage or whatever it is that you want to put inside of here. It's pretty big. Then sit down whenever you're going to go for a drive. That's it for this episode, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Peace.